We'd like to welcome you to Mid-South Building Supply. Since 1966, we've been a trusted supplier of specialty products to builders and contractors. Our employee owners are dedicated to help you. Whether you need cabinetry, siding, windows, or doors, we have the products you need with the quality you demand.
Here at Mid-South, it's our mission.
It is our mission.
It has been our mission to service the building industry with integrity and professionalism while offering diverse products, expert advice, and value-added installation services. This dedication is fortified by our collective understanding that our customers' success is our future. Our customers deserve the best products and service, and we aim to provide just that.
In 1985, we became an employee-owned company. As an employee-owned company, we understand our most valuable resource is our customers.
I'm an owner.
I'm an owner.
I'm an owner.
We're all owners.
All of our employee owners of Mid-South Building Supply have a vested stake in the company, which creates a commitment to the success of our valued customers and of our employee-owned company as well. You won't find better customer service anywhere in the industry. Great products, great service, Mid-South Building Supply. 100% employee owned, 100% customer committed.